All right, so let's review some adjectives and adverbs and how we use those and identify those. And I also added in quite a few vocabulary words here just for a review because I made this sheet for review. So we're going to circle the adjective and then draw arrows to the nouns that they modify. And you might have more than one in your sentence. So this first one, for example, they had a delicious picnic in the peaceful meadow. Which words are describing nouns? Well, delicious is describing picnic. And peaceful describes the meadow. So those are your two adjectives in that sentence. The next one, I'm going to let you do some of these on your own. I'm not going to help you with every one. But just be careful, there are two adjectives in this sentence. And this one here, I think you can do this one on your own too. There are two adjectives in that sentence as well. And also, there are two in this one. And this next one, maybe I'll do this one. The climb up the tall mountain was daunting, but we were ready for the challenge. Okay, first, tall. What does tall describe? The mountain. And the other word that's an adjective is daunting. And daunting, hopefully you remember, means something that's challenging. What was the challenging? I'm going to let you figure it out, but it's back at the beginning of the sentence is the thing that was challenging or daunting. And then just this last one here, just remember catastrophic is a form of catastrophe, the adjective form of catastrophe or a big disaster. So what was catastrophic? And vulnerable means in a weak position. Who was vulnerable there? Right? Then next, let's check out the adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs or adjectives or other adverbs. But in this one, I only put in verb examples. So we're just looking for the verbs. So, yeah, we'll do the first one. Okay. You have a dead giveaway in that all of the ly words are going to be adverbs. The students shouted joyfully at the start of the party. Now, what does joyfully describe? Were the students joyful? Yeah, probably. But joyfully, it does not describe the students. It doesn't say the joyful students. Joyfully describes how they shouted. So joyfully modifies shouted. Next one, do on your own. This one, you can do on your own. But just a quick note, there are 3 adverbs in this sentence, so just be careful. Urgent, just remember, means to do quickly or with something that's important. Reluctantly, we'll do a few. Let's do reluctantly. So she reluctantly, that's how she walked. It describes how she walked into the principal's office. The baby cried pathetically. What did the baby do pathetically? It cried. And the others you can do, I think, on your own. Just remember, fondly is like something that you like. And then loyally means you stick by someone or you're faithful. Solemnly means serious. So go ahead. I'm going to let you do the rest of these on your own. And that's it. Thank you for listening. Bye.